Right guys, blue or black pen for your answer and purple pen for any progress steps you need to make. Now if you're new to the page, can you please make sure if you find a video useful or find a question useful, make sure you like it. Again, the more people that like it, the more people it can reach and the more people I can help. Remember, I'm doing this for free, so I'd like to help as many people as I possibly can. Okay, again, if you complete an answer, okay, can you make sure you share this with as many people as possible? If you complete an answer and you want to share it with me, can you please upload a picture to your spam account and tag me at CrossMaths? Now, this is trigonometry. Now, it's an easy trigonometry question, but they've added in an extra step at the start, and I'm going to go through that in a minute. You know it's trig because you're finding an angle, and we've got a right angle triangle. Now, in order to find this angle, we need two other sides. We've got one of them. We could find this, probably can't find this one though because we haven't got enough information. We can find what this side is by here. Now in order to do that, okay, they've told us the area of this triangle is 35 centimeters squared. I'm going to call this side my height and I'm going to call this side my base. Now anyone that's done year 7 or 8 maths knows the area of a triangle, even if you've forgotten it, remind yourself, area of a triangle equals base times height all divided by 2. Now I know my area is 35 centimeters squared. I know my base is 5. I don't know my height, and I know that's 2. So if I substitute in the things that I know area is 35. I know my base is 5. My height I don't know. I'm going to leave that as h, and I'm going to put it all over 2. All you've got now is basic solving equations. So I'm going to times both sides by 2 to get rid of that divided by 2. If I do that, these two cancel each other out. Times by 2 gives me 70 equals 5h. And then we're going to divide through by 5 to get a value for h. Now 70 divided by 5, you can do it using bus stop, but there's no need. Just use a calculator. 70 divided by 5 equals 14. So my height is 14 centimeters. Okay, easy. That's the first part done. Now I know this side is 14 centimeters. I know that's 32. Now what I've got is trig, and I can essentially ignore this now. I'm just looking at this triangle up here. I label my sides. That's my opposite, that's my hypotenuse, and that's my adjacent. Okay, get really good at doing that. Once I've done that, I'm going to do so. Cat. So what? One of my year 9 girls showed me this. Okay, so if I'm going to get rid of a side, okay, obviously I need my adjacent because that's 14. I need my hypotenuse because that's 32. I don't need my opposite, so I'm going to cross that out. Now if you lay out your SOHCAHTOA like this, you don't need to redraw your triangle because you can just fill your triangle in by here. We're going to be using Ca, so we're going to be using cos. Now I know that's cos, and I put my times in for my height. Now I need to find this bit by here because that's my angle. That's my angle, I need to find that out. So if I'm finding my angle, I'll write that down. And I know if I cover that, my workings out at a over h. So I substitute in the bits that I know. I don't know my angle yet. That's my angle. Okay? I don't know my angle yet. I'm going to call it x because they've given it as x in the question. Okay? Cos x equals a over h. I know a is 14. And h is 32. Once I'm there, if I want to find what x is, now remember, if you move something over the equal sign, it changes sign. So if it goes over the equal sign, it changes whatever to the opposite of whatever it is. Now, because it's cos, positive cos at the moment, if it goes over the equal sign, it's going to change to a negative cos. And if you go on your calculator, that's what that looks like. 14 over 32. Remember, with cos and sin, the little number's always on top. Once you're here now, pop that in your calculator, you press shift, cos 14 divided by 32, I get an answer of 64.1. Okay guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please share it with many people as you possibly can. That's all your working's done. Again, worth practicing trig because it's always worth loads of marks, okay, especially if you're in higher or intermediate. It's worth a big chunk, okay, and it's an easy one to get right. Okay, now make sure you like this video if you found it useful. Please take a photo of your answer and tag me at CrossMaths, and tune in at 11 o'clock today if you are in year 8 and you want to have a live lesson.